Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to switch desktop in Windows 11 step by step. Virtual desktop help you organize your work, games, apps and browser tabs into separate space. So let's get started. So firstly open task view. Here you will see task view. Click on it. Just hover your mouse to it. Then you can click on it and create new desktop or rename your desktop name like work. New desk. Windows 11 will instantly create another virtual desktop for you. You can make multiple desktop for different tasks like work. This is for gaming. How much you want, you can create desktops. You can like browse anything on this desktop, doing your work on the first desktop. Simply you can press the shortcut also Windows plus tab. You can go to your first desktop, switch between desktop. You can press Windows Control right. Here you will change the desktop easily with the help of Windows Control left. You can left side, move to left side. If you want to close a desktop, just click on the X icon on the desktop, then your desktop will be closed successfully. Don't worry, your app won't close. Windows will still move them to another desktop automatically. And that's it. That's how to switch desktop in Windows 11. Using virtual desktop can make computer cleaner, faster to manage and more organized. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.